Hello, welcome back. In the last few videos, we worked so hard to complete our card game project. Great job on that if you went through those videos, and the videos are on this channel if you like to go through them again or if you haven't. In this video, we are going to start a brand new topic. We are going to learn about one of the most powerful features in Scratch called clones. Let's dive in. Alright, let's see clone in action. To demonstrate that, I'm going to delete this sprite here. And let's bring in a much smaller sprite. I'm going to use this ball. I'm going to take it to the top for the illustration I want to give. Let's assume we want to create a game where so many balls are falling from the sky. Technically, the way to go about it will be to duplicate this ball sprite here, right? Let's say we want 100 balls. It means we have to create a duplicate of 100. Now, that also means that we have to write 100 separate logic for each ball. Now, that can be very time consuming, right? So this is where clone comes to the rescue. I'm going to delete the duplicate I've created. And let's see how we can use clone to achieve this. To use clone, all we need is a master sprite. With a master sprite, we can then tell Scratch to create a copy of that sprite without creating a new sprite. Let's go to control, and all we need to know about clone are just these 3 blocks here. The first block says when I start as a clone. The second block says create clone of myself, and the last one says delete this clone. Those are the 3 blocks we are going to use in this video and subsequent videos when we are working with clone. Alright, so I'm going to go to events and drag in when flag is clicked, and let's use these 3 blocks at once. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to go to control and create a clone of myself. It's going to create a clone on top of this, and we have to move it away to actually see that it's creating a clone. Let's take this event that will fire when a clone is created, and let's go to motion and say move 100 steps away from the master sprite. And then let's go to control and let's say wait for 2 seconds, and afterward we want to delete this clone. Let's see if this will work. So I'm going to click on the flag and create a clone, and after 2 seconds delete that clone. So this is how simple clone is. If clone is still confusing for you, you don't have to worry, because in the next video we are going to use it. The best way to learn and understand the concept is to use it. So in the next video we are going to build a simple game where objects are falling down from the sky using 3 of these clone blocks together. It's going to be so fun and interesting. You don't want to miss it. Now, before you close this video, I want you to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification icon, and make sure you are notified when we post the next video. See you.